Is your Equinox key fob not working? The most common fixes are simple: battery replacement and remote relearning. First, replace the CR232 battery. Pry open the fob with a small screwdriver, swap the battery ensuring correct polarity, and test it. If that doesn't work, try a remote relearn. This reprograms the fob to your car's computer. The procedure varies by year, often involving ignition cycling and button presses. Check your owner's manual or Chevy's website, or use an OBD2 scanner. Relearning resets lost pairing. These two fixes solve most Equinox fob issues and save significant money versus dealership costs. If battery replacement and remote relearn don't solve the key fob issue, a receiver reset is the next step. This clears glitches in the car's body control module. Disconnect the vehicle battery for 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect it. For newer models from 2018 onward, you might find a reset option in the infotainment system's diagnostic menu. This is a last resort before replacing the receiver module, which can be costly. Looking ahead, Equinox models increasingly use digital keys on smartphones, reducing reliance on physical fobs. By 2030, physical fobs might be obsolete. Future Equinox models may use ultra-wideband for better signal strength, and AI diagnostics may allow remote fob resets. Stay updated with Chevrolet software for the latest fixes.